Hello students, I Jay Khatri from Macrovision Academy, Burhanpur. In this video, I will explain you what is network security and what is the need of network security. First of all, I will explain you what is network security. Network security is any activity designed to protect the usability and integrity of your network and data. It includes both hardware and software technologies. Effective network security manages access to the network. It targets a variety of threats and stops them from entering or spreading on your network. In other words, you can say network security effort to create a secure computing platform so users or programs cannot perform actions that they are not allowed to do. Network security is the protection of networking components, connections, and contents. Now I will explain you why network security is required. It is required by law that all data held about individuals must be protected from unauthorized access. Confidentiality. All network data must be kept confidential. This can be for commercial as well as security reasons. Data integrity. All network data must be secure from corruption, data loss, and has to be correct and up to date. Availability. All network data must be available to authorized users only. Actually, some issues are arises in network. Through network security, we can resolve it. First, I will explain what they are issues which are arises in network. Then I will explain how to resolve it. What is a computer virus? A computer virus is a computer program that can copy itself and infect a computer without permission or knowledge of the user. A computer virus can only spread from one computer to another when its host is taken to the uninfected computer. For instance, by a user sending it over a network or the internet, or by carrying it on a removable medium such as a floppy disk, CD, or USB drive. What is a worm? A computer worm is a self-replicating computer program. It uses a network to send copies of itself to other nodes, and it works without any user intervention. Unlike a virus, it does not need to attach itself to an existing program. Worms almost always cause harm to the network, if only by consuming bandwidth, whereas viruses almost always corrupt or modify files on a targeted computer. Trojan horse. A Trojan horse or a Trojan is a type of malicious software that looks legitimate but can take control of your computer. A Trojan is designed to damage, disrupt, steal, or in general inflict some other harmful action on your data or network. For example, if a program is designed in such a way, it could open a gateway for hackers to control and attack the computer of a user. Then that program is said to be a Trojan horse. What is data theft? Data theft happens when someone tries to get your personal information illegally through the internet. These people are often known as hackers, and their main goal is to damage or destroy your information or place it on the internet for everyone to use. Hackers use several methods to steal your information. Generally, there are two types of hackers: white hackers and black hackers. Now I will explain you what are the difference between computer worms, computer virus, and Trojan horse. Computer worms can self-replicate. Computer virus is also self-replicate, but Trojan horse cannot self-replicate. Computer worms do not need to attach themselves with the existing program. but computer viruses attach themselves with the existing program, and Trojaners use social engineering technique to spread. These are the issues which are arises in the network. Now I will explain you how to resolve it. We can resolve it with the help of antivirus softwares and firewall. One by one I will explain you. What is an antivirus? An antivirus software is a computer program that identifies and removes computer viruses and other malicious programs like worms and trojaners from an infected computer. Not only this, an antivirus software also protects the computer from further virus attacks. My personal suggestion is that we should regularly run an antivirus program to scan and remove any possible virus attacks from a computer. Some popular antivirus: Panda, Norton, AVG, Avast, Kaspersky, McAfee, Quickhill, etc. What is firewall? A firewall is nothing but a network security system that monitors and controls overall your incoming and outgoing network traffic based on advanced and a defined set of security rules. It is a system designed to prevent unauthorized access to or from a private network. You can implement a firewall in either hardware or software form, or a combination of both. Firewalls prevent unauthorized internet users from accessing private networks connected to the internet, especially intranets. In other words, you can say firewall is used to enhance the security of computers connected to a network, such as LAN or the internet. So, dear students, I hope you understood the concept of network security and why it is required. Now, first chapter of computer has been completed. Now, in next period, I will give you exercise and question answer of first chapter. Thank you.